Have you ever undercooked chicken? I have. And it's horrible to cut open that chicken and see pink. And just know that I've like basically ruined dinner. I have to put it on the put it in the oven, back in the oven, and probably dry out my chicken. And just having that like insecurity that my chicken was undercooked and serving that to friends and family, I just hate it. So that's why kind of a kitchen timer has something I've always had for probably since I moved out of my parents' house, since I started cooking for myself, for my family, is a kitchen timer. And that's why I wanted to get this one. So this is the chicken now. This is the instant read meat thermometer. So this was gifted to me from the Ram. As always, I will give my honest review. So what I love about this is a really easy to read, kind of like fast, precise, especially because like when I do like a cheesecake, I want to tell the internal temperature too. And I've had thermometers that take forever, and a cheesecake, it will kind of cool down and lose the temperature if it doesn't read fast and it doesn't read accurate. So what you're going to see is as soon as it opens, it's going to start reading the temperature. And as you can see, it is kind of warm in here. Or it's actually going down. There we go. But you're going to see nice large letters. So you're really going to see it fast. And I'm actually have a cup of warm water. So we're going to see how fast this reads. So as you can see, it's going up really fast. And yeah, my water cooled down. So, but as you can see, it's really fast, really accurate, really warm letters. You're easily able to run this underwater. This is not dishwasher safe. No thermometer is. So this is just, you're going to put this under warm water and you're just going to wipe the prong because that's where it's going to get most. This is also great for nighttime grilling because this is LCD display and this has a sleep mode. And when you're going to put the prong in, it's going to go in. This is also run by a AAA battery, which is easily replaced, which is amazing. So if you're looking for a new meat thermometer, this is the one you need.